Okay, now that we've done a few new operations, we have to look at the operations properties. So it's really similar to the properties with numbers, but we got to be careful here because we're dealing with a new math object. So addition of vectors, if you have u plus v, you can also do v plus u, and it will yield the same result. So that's good for the first property. Second one, if you add u plus v first and w afterwards, it's the same as adding v and w first and then adding u. So you can do the addition in any order and it will still work. So you can use the order that you choose. So this is a really nice property. If you add 0, the null vector, to another vector, you will have only the u vector as a result, because you remember that the null vector is just a point. If you add u plus negative u or negative u plus u, you will get the null vector. And be careful, because sometimes people write is equal to 0, but it's not 0, it's the null vector. So you cannot write equals 0. It's equal 0 with an arrow on top. It's the null vector. Multiplication by a scalar, you can distribute the constant number into an addition of vectors. So, but the number must be a real number. So k is a real number. So you can just distribute k into brackets. You can do the same thing with v. You can distribute r plus s on v. So you get rv plus sv, where s and r are real numbers. So you can distribute also. You can also multiply r by the sv vector. It's going to be rsv. So the result will be rsv. And if you multiply 1 by a vector, you will only get the same vector. So that's it for the properties. See you in the next video.